Hi friends, hope you all are doing good. Today we will discuss on the 3 topics in Excel. First is, how you pull month, day and year from a given date, which will be useful in lot of use cases. Secondly, how you can correct the letter formats, like if you want to convert the names in uppercase, or in lowercase, or like first letter upper of every word. And lastly, generating an email list for your employees. Let's find out. Let's start with from the given date, how we can pull day, month, year, which day of the week it is, and finally what month of year it is. Next, let's see how we can regularize the inconsistent letters in the words. For that, use upper function for uppercase, for lowercase use lower function, and finally, first word upper for every word, you can use proper function.
Finally, if you want to generate an email ID for employees with their full name around, you can follow this method. Use Flash Fill option to complete the data updation in the same format for the remaining cells below. Hope all these topics can be put to use in practical scenarios. Please do like and subscribe for more knacks on Excel. Thank you for watching. Happy learning!